We'll guide you through how to make and convert a table into a chart in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. And here is a table of data I want to go make into a chart. So first of all, we need to go and select it. So put your cursor in the top cell and you can click, hold and drag. Then you can go and right click and go and press copy. Go and click where you want to go and put the chart. I'll just put it below it, so my cursor is now there. And then what we need to do is go to the top of Word, click on Insert, and come over to the right into Illustrations and click on Chart. Choose the type of chart you want to add. In this case, I'll go for a column chart and I'll go for this stack column option. We've got that selected and I'll click OK. Now it's going to go and use some default data, but in this pop-up, what you want to do is go and select the data by clicking, holding and dragging. You can then press the delete key on your keyboard and you want to go and click in the top cell in here. And you can right click and then go and press paste like so. And we've now added in the data. And as you can see, there it is. We can then close off this and you can go and click on the chart and you can go over to the right and go and use these tools to go and edit it.